Made with durable aluminum that keeps coffee warm. 3-cup capacity with cool touch handle and knob for easy handling. Its small and portable design makes it easy for sharing. Designed with a flip-up top and side pour spout for easy serving. Ideal when making espresso. Detaches for easy cleaning after using. This IMUSA Aluminum Coffeemaker has the classic style you're looking for in a stovetop espresso maker, with the quality of IMUSA brand product. IMUSA has been producing coffee makers for over 50 years and is considered one of the top manufacturer of coffee makers in the world. This coffee maker makes 3 cups. It brews a traditional espresso coffee in minutes. Made for the stovetop, it can be used on all gas, ceramic or coil surfaces. The bakelite handle provides for easy handling. Made from durable long-lasting aluminum. Recommended hand wash only. Top reviews from the United States. Efficient little stovetop espresso maker. After the handle on my previous mocha pot detached from its base, having already been melted somewhat, one morning when I was too distracted to register the completion of its brewing cycle, I needed a replacement ASAP. I was skeptical about the quality of this item, given its cost, all of $5.49, with prime shipping, when purchased on July 23, 2022, but have found it quite sturdy and easy to clean. And while espresso quality, regardless of brewing methods, is, IMO, substantially determined by freshness, roast type, and grind of the coffee beans thus used, within my own taste preferences, extra dark roast, ground in store to a fineness just above Turkish, ideally no longer than a week or 2 before brewing, the coffee brewed with this is as perfect as I could have hoped for, independently of cost considerations. Granted, I have only been using it for 1 month. In the event its quality does not hold up over time, I will update this review. And while I'm extra vigilant, now, to remove the pot from the burner immediately after brewing, whatever the handle is made of, it seems fairly impervious, with or without a pot holder, it does not get too hot to handle, never mind melting.